by Suresh Singh Bisht. Due to rising healthcare cost, he wants to create a healthcare fund for himself in about 15 years' time, in addition to medical insurance. So, how to create one and in what type of mutual funds one can invest is what Suresh wants to know.
So one is having a medical insurance of a sufficiently large amount at all times is of utmost importance, and you should not look at creating this corpus to substitute the need for a medical insurance. That's because even if he creates a sizable corpus, then it will not be possible to speedily replenish it if he ends up drawing down upon it. So in case of an eventuality, if he ends up depleting this corpus significantly in an year because of some illness, then he will not have much left for the next year or the year after that. And that is precisely the kind of contingency for which medical insurance is meant for year after year. So by paying a premium which is a fraction of your total sum of insurance, you get this coverage year after year. So the broad point that I'm trying to make is that at no point should he consider creating this corpus to substitute his medical insurance. That's one. Now, how to go about investing for it? He's mentioned an investment horizon of about 15 years. So the way to invest should not be different from any other long-term goal. So his investments should be predominantly in equity, and he should invest through the SIP mode in a couple of good flexi cap funds and keep investing through the ups and downs of the market. Now, since this is not a non-negotiable goal, this is not a goal like a child education where you need a certain sum of money at a certain point in time and you cannot postpone it. You don't really have such pressing compulsions in this kind of a goal. So I'd suggest that he can be a little more aggressive with this kind of investment, and he can look to add a little bit of mid cap and small cap allocation to his investments and keep investing, and that should be good enough.